Friends, most sales teams do not struggle because they lack leads. They struggle because outreach becomes messy fast. One tool handles email, another handles calls, and follow-ups get lost somewhere in between. By the time someone is ready to talk, the opportunity is already cold. Today, we are looking at Outplay, a platform built to fix exactly that problem. Sales-focused growing companies like Sprinto, Reina Properties, Animaker, and Usebound have used it to scale results without expanding their sales teams. I am Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video I'll show you how to set up Outplay, build your first outreach sequence, automate follow-ups, and use the built-in AI tools to work smarter. If you want a cleaner system that helps you book more meetings without hiring more sales reps and improves outbound efficiency, this walkthrough is worth your time. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. And if you are setting this up for a team, that part is worth noting too, because Outplay offers dedicated enterprise-level support even for smaller setups, helping teams get configured properly from day one. Mates, after signing in, you arrive on the main dashboard. This is the control center where your daily sales activity comes together in one place. On the right side, there is a live feed that shows every important prospect action in real time. You can see clicks, replies, and other engagement signals as they happen, which makes it much easier to know where attention is needed first. That kind of real-time visibility is something most sales tools simply do not offer out of the box. The first step is connecting your mailbox. Without this, the platform cannot send personalized outreach on your behalf. Outplay supports Gmail, Office 365, Zoho Mail, and custom connections through IMAP and SMTP, so most teams can get started without friction. Guys, just follow the authorization steps, grant access, and within minutes, your sending setup is ready. And honestly, the whole process takes maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Nothing complicated. Once the email is connected, we can move into building the first automated campaign. In Outplay, these campaigns are called sequences. A sequence is a structured outreach plan that tells the platform what actions to take, when to take them, and which channels to use. This is where routine follow-up starts turning into a repeatable system. If you have ever lost a deal simply because you forgot to follow up, this is exactly what solves that. Folks, click Create Sequence and you will see 3 starting options. You can begin from scratch, use a template from the library, or let the AI help generate a campaign for you. For this walkthrough, we choose from library, so we can move faster and see proven frameworks. Right away, you get access to a collection of ready-made strategies designed for different outreach goals. The library is well organized, so finding the right fit does not take long. Inside the library, there are multiple categories built around real sales workflows. Since we want broad coverage, we choose multi-channel sequences. That option is useful because it combines several communication channels instead of relying only on email. In real outreach, that usually creates stronger results and better response rates. The reason multi-channel works better is simple. Different people respond on different platforms, and covering more ground increases your chances. Friends, when you open a template, Outplay can show the number of steps, total duration, and how often that sequence has been used. I like this because it helps estimate the workload before launch. Some campaigns look great on paper, but create too much manual effort later. Here, you can make a smarter choice before committing. That usage count is also a useful signal. If thousands of teams have run a sequence, there is a good reason for it. We select a more complete option and click Continue. Now the campaign structure is ready, and all that remains is adding our own messaging. This saves a lot of time, because the sequence logic is already built for you. Instead of starting with a blank page, you begin with momentum. Each step can still be customized. You can rewrite every email, adjust delays, remove actions, or add new ones based on your process. Nothing feels locked, which is important because every sales team works differently. Templates should guide strategy, not control it. In my experience, the best approach is to take the structure as is and only adjust the messaging to fit your tone and offer. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Once the campaign is ready, we need people to send it to. In Outplay, contacts live in the prospects section. This area stores relationship history with every lead, so you can always see past activity, engagement, and current status. That becomes very valuable once your pipeline starts growing. At some point, you are juggling dozens of conversations at different stages, and having all of that history in one place is what keeps things from falling apart. There is also a strong filtering system. You can sort by who replied, who showed interest, and who is still in progress. This helps reps spend more time on warm leads instead of treating every name the same. Better prioritization often creates faster wins than sending more volume. That shift from volume to focus is one of the bigger mindset changes that Outplay encourages just by how it is built. Mates to add contacts manually enter their first name, last name, email address, and job title. You should also assign the correct time zone. This allows messages to arrive during working hours, when people are more likely to read them. It sounds small, but timing often has a bigger impact than people expect. I have seen the same email perform completely differently, just based on when it landed in someone's inbox. If you already have a larger list, there is no need to add contacts one by one. Outplay supports CSV imports and native CRM syncing. You can connect HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, or Zoho to pull leads directly into the platform. That keeps your data cleaner and removes duplicate admin work. Folks, now we have everything in place, so it is time to launch. Open the sequence and activate it. You can choose specific contacts or send the campaign to an entire group at once. From that moment, Outplay begins handling the routine steps automatically. The platform sends the first email, waits based on your schedule, then continues follow-ups according to the plan. It can also remind you when a manual task is due, like making a call or sending a custom message. If someone does not respond, nothing slips through the cracks. That reliability is one of the biggest benefits of automation. Guys, your focus shifts away from repetitive admin work and toward real conversations. Instead of wondering who needs a follow-up today, you already know. That creates more time for discovery calls, demos, and closing opportunities. In my view, that is where sellers should spend their energy. Folks, to make the system even smarter, Outplay includes a workflow section. This is the automation builder where actions happen based on prospect behavior. You can create a trigger when someone clicks a link, replies to a message, or reaches a certain date or time. There are also inactivity triggers for leads who went quiet. So basically, the system starts making decisions on your behalf and doing it consistently without anyone having to remember. Friends, after choosing the trigger, you add actions. For example, you might move the prospect into another sequence, assign the account to a rep, or send an internal alert. Notifications can be pushed through Slack or Google Chat, which is useful for fast-moving teams. The result is a system that reacts automatically while your team stays focused. That combination, behavior-based triggers plus instant team notifications, is what separates a basic email tool from a real sales engine. Mates, this approach prevents wasted effort on contacts who are not engaged. At the same time, it helps you move quickly when someone shows interest. That balance matters because speed often wins deals. Outplay makes that speed easier to maintain. The last tool to cover is the Chrome extension. It lets you pull leads directly while browsing LinkedIn or working inside Gmail, without switching tabs or copying details manually. You open the extension, it detects the contact on the page, and you add them to the right sequence with one click. And I want to say that for teams that prospect every day, that kind of frictionless capture adds up fast. It turns regular browsing into pipeline building. By the way, folks, the platform also includes a solid set of AI tools. Magic Mail helps you generate outreach emails faster. You get a strong starting draft that still leaves plenty of room to personalize. And there is also a built-in AI chat that lets you communicate with prospects directly. So basically, the AI here handles the heavy lifting, so you can stay focused on the conversations that actually close deals. So guys, after walking through the platform, it is clear that Outplay is more than a basic email tool. Most tools force you to juggle outreach, calling, messaging, and automation separately. Outplay wraps all of that, plus AI, reporting, and prospect management into one connected workspace. For growing sales teams, SDRs, and small to mid-sized businesses, It can simplify operations in a big way. I especially like that the platform reduces repetitive work without removing human control. You still shape the strategy, messaging, and relationships, while the system handles timing and consistency. Mates, if you want to test it yourself, there is no need to figure everything out on your own. Just drop your lead details, and the Outplay team can give you a full demo during the free 7-day trial. They can also help set up the platform for your workflow. And if you use the link in the description, you may unlock an exclusive discount, so definitely take a look. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.